Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that every pet owner needs in their home, the Veken Cat Water Fountain. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Veken Cat Water Fountain? This automatic stainless steel dispenser is designed to provide a continuous flow of fresh water for your pets, whether they're furry felines or playful pups. With a generous capacity of 108 ounces, or 3.2 liters, it means less frequent refills and more hydration for your four-legged friends. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First off, the Veken Cat Water Fountain is crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel. This not only gives it a premium look but also ensures durability. The materials are BPA-free, making it a safe choice for your pets. And when it comes to cleaning, you'll appreciate how easy it is. All the water contact parts are top-rack dishwasher-safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your pet's company. Setting up the fountain is a breeze, thanks to the intuitive 4-step snap-together design. You can have it ready for use in just minutes. Plus, the large water window allows you to easily monitor the water levels, and there's even an optional blue LED light that adds a soothing glow during nighttime. This feature transforms hydration time into a calming moment for your pets, encouraging them to drink more often. Now, let's discuss the pump. The Veken fountain operates at a whisper-quiet 25 dB, which means you won't be disturbed by any loud noises while it runs. Its suspended pump design ensures stable, low-noise performance even with continual use, making it perfect for homes where tranquility is key. Water quality is essential for your pets, and the Veken Cat Water Fountain doesn't skimp on that. It features an advanced 5-stage filtration system designed to keep the water clean and tasty. With its protective PP housing, the fountain retains the same multi-layer filter media, including activated carbon and a composite scale inhibitor, to reduce impurities. For optimal results, it's recommended to use softened or filtered water. Now, who is this fountain suitable for? It's perfect for both cats and dogs, especially those who are picky drinkers or tend to be less hydrated. If you have multiple pets, the 108-ounce capacity makes it ideal, as it can cater to their collective drinking needs without constant refills. Plus, the sleek silver design fits seamlessly into any home decor, making it both functional and stylish. In practical use, this fountain is excellent for busy pet owners. If you're often out and about or have a hectic schedule, this fountain takes away the worry of keeping your pets hydrated. It's also beneficial for pets that need encouragement to drink more water, as the flowing stream is more appealing than a stagnant bowl. And for those who may have had issues with spills or leaks in the past, the Veken fountain features a robust, leak-proof structure that protects your floors from unwanted messes. In conclusion, the Veken Cat Water Fountain is a fantastic choice for any pet owner looking to provide their beloved animals with fresh, flowing water all day long. Its combination of ease of use, quiet operation, and advanced filtration makes it a standout product in the pet care market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to